Okay. So actually, I am again. It's a quick recap. Do you able to see my screen? Do you able to see my screen, sir? No, right? I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah.
I'm able to see your screen.
Yes. Yes. So any new employees, any organization, any new employee is going to join. So you will have to run a joiner event. So that is how you will be running a joiner event. So what will happen? Joiner event. It will pull the identities from it will pull the identities from the yes, it will be pulling the identities from the HR workday and it will be placing into the sale point. So that is where we are going to run a joiner event. So next, if suppose any employee like any internal transfer, if suppose I'm just going from IT department to IT department to HR department. So what happens? So you will have to write down a mover event. Mover event will be yeah, it will be moving from employee from department A to department A to department B. So next, lever. So what happens? Lever in the sense whenever you are leaving any organization, you will be simply it will it will remove all of your accesses. So after lever ID, your lit or whatever ID is created or employee ID, it will not have it will not have the accesses which already you have. So this is how you are going to. So these are the basics. So next, so what is an IAM? We already had discussed. So IAM is any uh, what we discussed yesterday. Did you get a chance to go through it? Identity access management.
Management.
So identity access management. What is an identity? So identity is an you will be given an identity or employee ID, so by which you will be identified. If suppose you have any joined any new organization, so you have given some certain ID. So this is an identity or employee ID. So by using this employee ID, you will be contacted for different operations in a company. You got me right? So any company, as you join, you should be having a birthright role access. What are the birthright roles? What I'm just trying to, you should be able to access company's mail ID. Okay, you should be able to send or receive you should be able to send or receive the mails. It's a to and fro. You got me right? So mails. This is the first you will have to have the access for company's mail ID. Next thing is you should be having an access for Teams, MS Teams. So you can connect to the your team members or any other employees in a company. So how you will get? So yeah, so you should be your employee ID should be added to those entitlements. So what birthright role, if suppose you are a new employee, so will be added to a birthright role in the sense that mail ID. So you should be able to access by using the mail ID. Next, you should be able to access the themes. So these are, we call it as a birthright role, birthright role access. You got me right? So second thing is birthright roles. Second thing is uh,
Means birthright,
neighborhood.
sir, but a birthright role means the basic access provided is called the birthright role.
Correct. Basic
De-
access levels.
Default
Basic.
access.
Okay.
Hello.
He said default access.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Kishore, you joined just now.
Yes. It's before 5 minutes.
Okay. 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 Any? Are you following any doubts, Kishore?
No, not yet.
Okay. Also, next is neighborhood roles. Neighborhood roles. What are the neighborhood roles? So neighborhood roles are the roles you will be accessing the other applications. If suppose you are deployed in a Java project, you are deployed in a Java project, you should be having an access like Java like applications. So in the sense, you should be able to you should be given an access with which you're going to navigate the application. So that is how it's a Java project. Your project is built on Java. So when you are given an access, you should be able to access the application pages. So that is what we call it as a neighborhood roles. If suppose you are deployed in a Pega as a Pega developer, so what happens when you are deployed as a Pega developer? You should be able to access, like right, Pega Explorer. You should be having those level of accesses. You should be able to access the Pega modules. So that is what you are, yeah. So that is what that level of access you should be given. So neighborhood roles, after the birthright roles access, you should be having a neighborhood roles access. So based on that, you are going to work on in any company. So that is what we call it as a identity and access management. What my training will cover you. I will teach you as we discussed. After my training, you will be okay. You will be able to work as a IAM tester, IAM business analyst,
Developer
IAM developer,
support.
IAM admin, or support. You can perform any kind of this role. So if you have least interest in the coding, so you can either go for a tester or business analyst. If you are good in communication, you can go for a business analyst. If you are good in writing down the test cases, you can go for a IM tester. If you are interested in coding, you can go for a IM developer. If you are interested in resolving the tickets, or if you are interested in any tickets will come, so you will assign and like admin level access. So I need so and so access. I need developer access. I need tester access. I need tester. I need admin access. So in such a case, you will go for admin. So you can perform all of these roles after my training. I will give you the installation video. How we are going to install a SailPoint in your machines. So after today, you people have to confirm whether you are continuing or not. So if you are in tomorrow's class, I'll be sending you say video how we are going to install a SailPoint in your machines. Okay, from day after tomorrow, I will start teaching you how we are going to. Uh, yes, I will be teaching you how we are going to prepare a input file, how we are going to have a identities, format of the file, and how we are going to, how we are going to onboard into, SailPoint, how we are going to, that is so. What are the different life cycles we have in SailPoint? How we are going to execute that? I will teach you all of those. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So, any questions you have so far? So, after this training, what I will do? I will also help you in resume preparation. Resume preparation. Next, LinkedIn preparation, LinkedIn account creation. Next, mock interviews and interview support. So I will be sending you as soon as you have confirmed for this training. What I will do, I'll be sending you the software. SailPoint software I will be sending you. So yeah. So I have in my personal drive. So I'll be sending you those, SailPoint software. I'll be sending you all of those details to you after once you enroll. So that is how what I'm just going to discuss. Next thing, any questions, any doubts so far? Also, I am tester. I will show you how we are going to write down a test cases in terms of IAM. If suppose you can call it as a security tester. So how we are going to write down a test cases? I will teach you. So I will teach you how a test plan will contain test case ID, how we are going to write down a as a security tester, how we are going to work on a test cases. There is a one role security tester, which is a very nicky role. You can also you can check out in the LinkedIn. So security tester is also a role. You can work as a penetration tester, you can work as a security tester. You are working on testing the security of the application. How secure is the application? You will try to break the. You will be if suppose I will be teaching you how we are going to write down a security test cases. I'll teach you how we are going to do a security testing. Next, business analyst. So you will have to prepare a BRD or you will have to prepare a FRD. I will teach you one live project. I will teach you two live projects. One is US healthcare and uh, banking. I will be teaching you these two projects. Second thing is developer role. What I will teach you? I will teach you how we are going to customize the rules, customize the rules, how you customize the policies, how you configure the existing code. What is the I will be teaching all of this. Admin support. I will teach you how we are going to grant the access. What or where you have to go. Where you have to go to that pay tab of SailPoint application. So in SailPoint application, where you have to navigate and where you have to add the ID, where you have to add the employee ID for giving in an access. You got me right? So I'll be teaching you all of this. So at the end of the day, what I will do. So after the training plan, if suppose you're interested in IM tester, so I will prepare your resume which suits IM tester. If suppose you're interested in IM business analyst, so I'll prepare your resume according to the IM business analyst role. So no, you are interested in IM developer or SailPoint developer. So I will prepare your resume according to the SailPoint developer or admin or support. So I will prepare your resume according to the admin or support. Any questions or any clarifications so far? Hello?
Sir, is there any type of resume for overall? Like means, if I have confident in taking in any of the role, I can
So how many years of experience you have?
3 years.
3 years. For 3 years, you cannot work on each and every role. Either you have to say, I have worked on developer role, or you have to say, I worked on tester role, or you have to say, I am a support engineer. So no one believe if you know everything
Okay.
because you have only 3 years of experience, right?
Yeah.
If suppose you have more than 6 or 7 years of experience, then you can say that I am a SailPoint expertise. I can work as a tester. I can work as a business analyst. Why? Because I have these many years of experience. I have worked as a tester for 2 years. Also, I have worked as a developer for 2 years. So what I will do,
Okay.
see, I will prepare your resumes and you will upload. If suppose if call is getting on tester, you have to take up and you can go to testing role. If suppose you have got as a developer call, you can clear the interview and you can join as a developer role. No, you have got a business analyst call, so you have to take up that call. You can join that. You got me right? So
Okay, sir.
I will give you the, I'll prepare your resumes for all of these roles. You can apply according to
Sir,
your
one
interest.
doubt.
Yeah.
Okay. Means in the sale point, which of these role get more calls according to the market?
Depends actually. Sometimes developer will be more, sometimes testing will be role. You can apply for a security testing role.
Okay.
What is that role? Security tester. It depends, like, market is so volatile. Sometimes you find calls for a testing business analyst, or sometimes you find calls for developer like that, or you can work say like you're a cyber security business analyst. You got me right? Cyber security business analyst.
Okay.
Science. Any questions, sir?
మన విజయవాడలో ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు ఆయన ఎదురు చూస్తున్న ట్రాంపోలిన్ పార్క్ పై
Hello?
No, sir.
Hello?
No questions.
Yeah, so I'll be sending you the installation video and the software tomorrow. And if suppose any one of you, I don't know how many of you confirmed, one lady has joined and she has moved out of. So probably I'll be teaching from actual classes will be starting from tomorrow. I will provide you the software. I will send you the installation video. So let's start, 45 hours per day. We will take 1 hour class. If suppose you are okay on weekends, we can stretch. I will give you 2 hours classes also.
Okay, sir.
What is the fee for that?
Fee you can check with Mohan, VLRA Mohan.
Okay.
I think
Admin and support is for L1, L2, L3, right?
Yes, yes, L1, L2, L3.
Okay, fine. What is the course duration?
45 hours. I mean 45 days.
Okay.
yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir. Actually, yeah. Any questions you have or
Hello.
any questions you have? Open floor is open to you. Uh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, you have said about live projects, sir.
Uh,
About live projects.
yeah, live projects.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, these are the projects. Means there we can get a how in a project the terminology and
so
something like
live
that.
projects in the sense on my live experience, what I in my current project I will show you how I generally you can work as a, if suppose any interview gets scheduled, you can say that okay, I worked on this project and I have done this, I have done that, like that. It's a real time project. I'm going to give one is banking project and one is healthcare project.
Okay, sir. What is your current like IAM developer or
Yeah,
tester?
I have overall 13 years of experience. I also worked as a developer, also business analyst. I have also testing experience also. I'm into whole security tester. I worked as 3 years as a business analyst, 3 years as a developer, 7 years.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir. I think we can conclude the session.
Yeah, Kishore, any doubts, Kishore?
No.
Okay, Harsha. Okay, please confirm the Mohan and timing also please confirm. So probably I will be starting your sessions from tomorrow. At the same time or is the same time works for you?
No.
Okay, please confirm the timing to the Mohan and let me know. So probably I will start your sessions from tomorrow. I will send you one video which will tell you the installation process. I will send you the software also tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can I go ahead? I mean, can I leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, bye. No questions, right? No doubts.
No.
ఆల్సో నేను మీకు తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తాను మీకు ఐ డోంట్ అన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో కాకుండా కూడా అక్కడక్కడ మీకు తెలుగులో చెప్తాను మీకు ఎక్కడ అర్థమైపోయినా తెలుగులోనే చెప్తాను మీకు ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ ట్రబుల్ ఫేసింగ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్ సో ఐ విల్ టీచ్ యూ ఇన్ లోకల్ తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్ ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ బాయ్ సార్
Okay. Bye, sir.